It is extremely early in the morning and I have not yet had coffee, but this was a stop your scrolling in bed, get up and get on camera because there has been movement and development in Prince Harry's court case against NGN, which is News Group newspapers owned by Rupert Murdoch. Prince Harry and former MP Tom Watson are the only two claimants standing, and this was supposed to go to trial starting today, but according to NPR's David Folkenflik, who you might recognize the name, well, you should, he's a great reporter, but also because he has been doing continuously good in-depth reporting on what's going on at the Washington Post, specifically with CEO Will Lewis. According to his reporting, he says that a person with knowledge says that there has been a massive offer from Murdoch's camp to resolve the hacking suits from Prince Harry and former MP Tom Watson. This includes a conspiracy, allegedly, by top Murdoch British executives, including Will Lewis, to conceal criminality at his UK tabloids 14 years ago. This is from Byline Times, but what Will Lewis is accused of, along with James Murdoch, Rebekah Brooks, and others, is a cover-up of the publisher's alleged illegality, which included over 30 million emails being deleted by the publisher, despite the Met telling them to preserve all evidence. If you want to read some of the other claims, this is a great article in Byline Times that will give you a quick overview. This is a bit of reporting from Chris Shipp of ITV. And what I find interesting here is the Part 36 offer, meaning that if a claimant, Harry or Watson, turns down an offer from the defendant to settle out of court, and even if the claimants win, they're liable to the legal costs of both sides if damages awarded by the court are smaller than the earlier settlement. This is one of the ways that powerful people and companies escape true responsibility. They do it by offering so much money and also bleeding the other side of money that it gets to a point where a person really has to question, is it worth it financially? Which, in my opinion, is not how justice should be doled out. But NGN has good reason to not want this to go to trial because of the information that could be made public, like emails between Sun Publisher and the royal household. NGN has heavily relied on the fact that shuttering News of the World, which was the problem child, solved all the issues during the phone hacking scandal. What Prince Harry and others allege is that there was a massive cover-up of activities that were also going on at the Sun, of people like, allegedly, Rebekah Brooks and Will Lewis, who have continued to occupy places of power. So I think this ultimately comes down to, what does justice mean? What does it look like? And is there a tipping point where it becomes financially untenable? I will keep an eye on the story as it develops. More to come.